हदीजा बच गई है। तीजा को तो डॉगी ने काबू करने लगा था, है हदीजा? How beautiful they are. Everything is just love. Yeah. So Mohammed is saying mashallah. डर वाली तो कोई बात ही नहीं है। ब्रिज
ब्रिज के जैसे वो नीचे पानी होता है उसके वो टू
That's waterfall. You wanna see?
Yeah.
Do you wanna see?
Yeah.
Or you
It's
don't
a
wanna
cave
see?
hunt.
Does it hurt?
Yeah.
Then be careful. Hafsa, पीछे रहो ना। Oh, it's really like a.
Just listen to the noise.
It's so strange. Khadija, where do you wanna go? But I don't know where is Frenchy. Do you know the way to go to Frenchy?
Yeah, मुझे पता है किधर है. Follow the stairs.
But I don't know.
Because you're new here.
I am new here. That's why I don't know. But it's really scary.
Look at the water.
Where is the water?
Don't be scared. I'm joking.
Let me check. Oh,
Look at that.
it's beautiful.
कोई 41,000 व्यूज मिलते हैं
For what?
बस इस वाज के लिए इसकी पिक्चर के लिए कसम
It's really beautiful. Yeah.
आप ये YouTube पे लगा
Yeah. You will see it. I'll upload this, and then you can see. Oh, Didu, a dog is coming to Didu.
look at that. What is that?
Oh,
So maybe it's a bandit.
what?
A bandit.
It's abandoned. I know, but what is that?
A bandit. Guys, you might not have enough trophies for Frenchy, okay? I'm sorry.
Let's go.
We're gonna be one.
Why are we wasting our time? What's that? What's that? Okay.
It's very, very sour.
Just open it.
So, आपका फोन सबसे पहले खट्टा
And now we are moving towards Friendship Park. It's really very beautiful. Oh, finally we reached. It's over. It's really. Oh my God. Its taste is not so beautiful.
It is so nice.